So here's a project I've been working on back and forth for a little while, and I'm pretty much finished. I just got to do a bit of a clean up and sort of lock everything down, but got my boat slip. So it's got an old garage door, threw a few posts in the ground, got a 12 volt winch down there, run off a battery, and solar panel up there, which comes down to my charger, balance charger, and just a voltage readout. So just basically launch it with my switch, so we can go up. So I've got stops on the bottom that stop the trailer from going further down. I actually haven't yet pulled this off the trailer yet, so could be in for a bit of fun. Well, that bottom corner on this side needs to be raised up a bit, just enable it to keep this wheel on this side, this front side. But yeah, alright, I'll put the camera down and see if we can't see that. Oh, yeah. Alright, well that was actually a pretty good success. I think I might need to put another roller on that trailer further down, but underneath on the keel. But other than that, should be pretty good. Right, so now it's about 24 metres from the winch to the water, and the tide's actually coming in. It needs about another, it'll come in another couple of feet yet, so it'll be a little bit higher, so the trailer won't actually need to go as low as that for the most part, although it's nice that I can launch there. So here we come in. need to sort that bottom out, because it's when it's coming back up it's just kicking over a little bit. So that's a pretty easy fix. That's just to keep the wheels, you can see they've kicked off. So I mean, lifting them back on. So you can see what's happening, because that bottom that bottom corner down over yonder is low. So once I've pulled that level up, it'll keep this wheel on. Pretty easy fix. And like I say, this is actually only about the second time that I've actually put it down. So yeah, hard work walking up there. Yeah, my switch. And what I might do is actually wire in, instead of a flip switch or a spring-loaded switch, I might wire in a just a normal switch with a limit switch on it. So when it comes up, and usually I think they just work on a magnet deal, so if you've got a magnet up on the trailer there, it'll just cut it off. So anyway. Boom. There it is, and voltage stays good. We're at 12.6, it's still charging now, so yeah, it's a good deep cycle battery, and everything works very nicely. Motor sits down, just clears the ground, and yeah, I'm happy with that. Alright, so there it is. Anyone wants to go fishing, just let me know. It's easy now. Thanks for watching. See ya.